Okay, this is number 2418, Sort the People. This was yesterday's uh, daily challenge, and I want to give it a go again today because I didn't like my solution, and I had a look at the intended solution, and at the time I didn't love it, but I think now, yeah, I think it's probably much better. So, the intended solution, I'm going to try and do this without looking at anything up because this isn't a method I've really used before, is to use zip. And what zip is going to do is, I'll go over the problem quickly. So you're given a string, an array of strings names and an array heights that consists of distinct positive integers. Both arrays are of the same length because each person has a corresponding height. So what we need to do is return names sorted in descending order by the people's heights. So we need to link our names to their corresponding heights. Then we need to sort this in descending order and have our names array also sorted. So what you're meant to do is use zip, and this will hopefully create an array of tuples. So we need to do, let's call it just linked zip heights names. I think this is how you use zip. Let's try printing it and see if I'm right. So this should just print a tuple, which is 180 Mary. Okay, that's not good. Zip Python. I think I'm using it right. Okay. Maybe I can just cast this to a list straight away, and that should fix my problem. Alright, awesome. Now, what I'm going to do is use the sorted function. So I'm going to look this up, and you should be able to like lambda this to go in descending order. So okay. This isn't what I want. This is what I want. So sorted array reverse equals true. Equals sorted reverse equals true. So now we do this, it should, I hope, hook onto the 180 and the number, because that's the first part. Otherwise I'm gonna have to use a lambda, I think. No, looks like it sorted it. Now we're gonna go for I in range len linked. I wonder if I can just, I'm just gonna make an array called result. Then I'm gonna do linked. Yeah, so this will access the names, and I append it to my result. And then what I'm gonna do is just return my result. And that should be a much faster way than what I did yesterday. Although I did like the way that I did it yesterday, it was just extremely slow, and my while loop could have been optimized like a lot, because I'm pretty sure the solution was on to the n, and I think I could have got that down quite a bit. Yeah, so this is 10 times faster. If I go to my submission yesterday, I had like a really inefficient bubble sort. I think if I optimize this properly, it would have been much nicer. I might actually just, while I'm here, drop this into Gemini and say optimize this to be a proper bubble sort. I'd love to see how this performs, because this is like the same idea of what I was going for yesterday, just a much better solution. Mine was a pretty horrible solution. Okay, that is definitely not the way you do it. So this is the fastest way to do it using zip, and yeah, pretty happy with that.